You're here to mock me because you have seen that I have fallen flat, face down in poverty, but I tell you, Aboma, I'm going to rise.
Rise it like the man, or face it.
I laugh because it will never be said that I, a Messiah, is embroiled in some kind of argument with a weak old woman like you.
3 million naira.
4 million naira.
So in the light of that, I am going to donate the sum of 20 million naira.
We are finished.
Emese, you just wasted the last gari we have in the house.
What else do you want me to give? I came here to seek the face of God.